There's something happening at the military base. Listen to this transmission.
We're under attack! Some kind of creature came out of nowhere! Ah!
Did he say some kind of creature?
I'm pretty sure that's not you, Bruce. Better go check it out before someone decides this is your fault.
Banner, what did you do to me, you freak? You've turned me into an abomination. Do you have the guts? Let's find out. Damn you! Banner! What's it going to take? You're getting ahead of yourself. You did this to me, Banner. You did this. Damn you! That's how hatred. What? It'll soon be over. Let's see you get angry. Banner. Crush your spine! Hold still! Not now! It's not right! Damn you, Banner!
019er, coming in on your position now.
I need a medic!
What happened here, Captain?
We got our butts kicked, General. Good news is we managed to get most of our vital equipment inside.
General Ross, over here.
I saw it happen. Plain as day.
It's okay, sir. You're safe. Them two creatures are gone.
No. I saw what happened. With my own eyes. The Hulk was to blame.